trying to fix some trees with a wrench. Hey guys, so as you know, today with my sexy stilts, we're going to be going and we're going to be trying to fix some trees with a wrench. As you may know, I have no life, so I went and bought this wrench, just to hit some trees with it. So let's go. We've now encountered a very large problem. It's called stairs. Now, in real life, this would be a very big problem. However, we are in a film. Let's go! And as you'd have probably guessed, I landed on my arse. Because that's what everyone does. Now let's go fix some trees. As you can see, we are now coming up to some very injured trees. Now what we're going to be trying to do is fix them. So let us begin. Oh my god, that's so good! As we carry on our adventure, let's try and find some more trees to fix. Let's go! As you can see, this is a very rare specimen of tree. But it's nothing that I can't fix. Let's begin. It didn't fucking work. Now as we move on to the next tree, we might have to find something more adventurous. Here is a very rare barbiscuian twig. Let's give it a few taps and see if it works. Maybe it needs a few more taps. Good as new. That concludes our tour in the woods of fixing trees. Join in next time to find out if this tree will make it out alive. Join you next time on Bear Grylls Adventures with Dylan Morris Brown. Now obviously I can't end the video there without going Enjoy the video and subscribe.